restaurant in Crescent City. Using our small sewer jetter. Trailer jetter was in the shop and they needed it done today. Water went down. Pulled out a lot of grease. Done.